In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful. Say, He is Allah, the One. Allah is the All-Embracing. He neither beget, nor was begotten, nor has He any equal. O Allah, send your blessings on Muhammad and the family of Muhammad. Surah Ikhlas. This is a Meccan surah. The surah whose 6 elements of belief constitute pure sincerity of faith or monotheism, wherein a believer affirms God's divinity, oneness, and eternality, and negates in relation to Him any offspring, ancestry, or likeness. It negates any kind of anthropomorphism that may compromise pure monotheism. It is unusual in having as its title a term not mentioned in the body of the surah. The word Ikhlas conveys the meaning of sincerity in one's religion and total dedication to the one true God. It is narrated from the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that whoever recites this surah once will get the reward equal to 10 times the number of people who have believed in the Islamic teachings. This surah has many other rewards, and its recitation is compared to reciting 1/3 of the Holy Quran. Reciting it once is a means of blessings for the reciter. If recited twice, then the blessings are also showered upon the children of the reciter. Reciting it thrice brings blessings on the entire family of the reciter. If Surah Al Ikhlas is recited 11 times, the reciter will have palaces built for him in Jannah. When a person recites this surah 100 times, all his sins for the past 25 years are forgiven, except the sins of killing an innocent person or usurping the property of people. The one who recites it 1,000 times will not die unless he sees his place in Jannah. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, once advised a poor person to always say salam when entering his house, even if there was nobody there, and then recite Surah Ikhlas. After a little while, the man became abundantly wealthy. It is narrated that if a person does not recite this surah in any of his 5 daily prayers, it is as if he has not prayed. In fact, if a person does not recite this surah in any of his prayers for 7 consecutive days, and he dies, it will be as if he died while following the religion of Abu Lahab. It is makruh to recite this surah in one breath. This surah has numerous other benefits and is a cure for many ailments. It should be recited when traveling or when facing a tyrant ruler.